In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rear bumper reflectors on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located in the back bumper. Now, if you flip over the reflector, you can see there's two tabs. One locks in on that side, and another one here kind of pops in, locks into place. And what we're going to do is we're going to use our plastic trim tool. Now, if you want to be super cautious about your paint, you can go ahead and put some tape on here. If you're using a plastic trim tool, you shouldn't have much to worry about, but you're going to go in over here, you're going to press in and pry out. That reflector should flip out like so. Go ahead and clean out the inside here. You can use a cleaner, a spray cleaner, or whatever you want to go ahead and clean that up if you want. Take your new part, and I'm actually going to install the side that we just popped out first. I'm going to push that in. On this side here, I'm going to use a plastic trim tool and push in gently on the little tab. Lock that into place. Repeat for the passenger side. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.